So today I'm going to step outside of my norm and share with you a couple of pages that I did for a December daily that I'm trying to keep this year. I've gone farther than I ever had because on previous ones I only did like 1 or 2 days, and I've already made it up to like day 15 on this one, so I'm feeling pretty good. So this is a quick flip through of the different days that I did. Day 8 and 9, we got 10 and 11. I put up some lights. So for day 13, I think it is. Actually, it's going to be day 15. I wind up doing this one for the video. We had Santa Claus at work, and so I got to take a picture with Santa, and then one of my friends, one of the ladies that we work with, she also got her picture taken. So I decided to do one page, my picture on one side, hers on the other, and decorate from there. So I'm using the Kaiser Craft. This is the collection from the November kit, and it was called Peace and Joy. I love this collection. The bright reds and greens. Oh my goodness, it goes so well because we actually did over the weekend a color challenge in the members room, and the colors were very similar with this green and the red. So it tied in for that, and I did post a picture on there. So this is the video that basically coincides with the pictures. So what I did is I took the ephemera pieces, like this one I felt like it was like a tree, so I wanted to put it on the back. And then to decorate on some of the pattern paper, I took a jelly roll. This one is the clear glitter. I think there's a clear. I have the packaging here somewhere, Lord knows. But I've never used these, and it's actually really glittery. But all I did was go, line the center of the poinsettia and then filled in the berries just to give it a little pizzazz. And then I was trying to decide, I wanted to use this 15. These thickers are sort of like chipboard uh, numbers that we got. This, I want to say, was a part of the kit for last November. And the red is a little bit different, but I felt like it was okay enough that it stood out and you would see the 15. On a couple of the different days, I used different numbers from different thicker sets to, do my days. And because I really thought the photos were cute, I decided to uh, photo basically not Photoshop it, but I use my Canon selfie, and there's a program where you can add in the two photos so that they're more. I want to say it's almost like 3 by 4, but I just trim these down really tight so there's not a whole lot of edge. And I think what I wind up doing, I was trying to figure out a way to do it and have it not take up too much space. I thought about using one of these, which is like a what do they call it? Like the waterfall. Hold on. This one is, yeah, the flip pockets. I was actually going to use that. Um and then I don't know, it wasn't working the way I had wanted it to. And with the one photo facing the different direction, it made it a little difficult. So I was like, you know what? Okay. I'm like, I know I want to put some paper behind it. I'm like, let me grab that piece one more time just to make sure that where I'm planning on putting this, it makes sense because it's an add-on piece. I think it could have worked. I could have just done it and been done with it. But I decided, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and use the two pockets, and on one side it'll allow me to put this little sentiment on the outside that says is it Silent Night? I can't see. But I decided to do my journaling in my gold Sanyo pen. And Oh Holy Night is what it says. And all I'm doing is writing really about what happened at work that day and how we had Santa. And then I wanted to add the little chipboard piece, so I'm going to attach it to the outside of the plastic piece as well. And a lot of times I'll do that. Some I'll put the pieces on the inside, and some of the pieces I attach it to the outside because it's nice to have that feel on the outside as well. So it gives it a little bit of interest without making it super bulky. So here is my page. This is my day 15. And then I like to, insert that little additional piece with the two smaller photos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And down below there will be links to scrapbookingwithme.com. And if there's kits available, I will try and find the link for it, but I believe they're all sold out. But the Facebook page, the blog, everything is linked down below. Okay, so thank you guys so much, and I hope you have a great day.